triangle shapes or what else?
I don't know. I don't know.
No.
No.
Phoebe Bell, I see seeds at the back.
Seeds in the back.
Get the seeds out of the back.
Okay. Oh wait. Oh wait, oh wait.
Get it?
I get it.
Ta-da!
Number two. More in the front.
You want some in the front too?
Yeah, more in the front and the back.
Oh my.
I see the seeds.
You see them in the back?
Yeah.
Can you get them with your hand?
No, get it with my food.
Or with the spoon?
Yeah. I get it. I get it. Get it.
You get it?
Yeah. I have muscles.
You have muscles?
Yeah. Like Daddy is strongest.
Like Daddy's the strongest? Oh my. What about Mommy? She's strong too.
Who's stronger to get me? Mommy is stronger too. And Maurice big too.
Oh yes, she's strong.
And Chris.
Phoebe, which one is your pumpkin?
This one is
Yeah?